Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday and happy St. Patty's Day. You know, I did my DNA recently and I do have some Irish in me. German, Irish, English, Scandinavian. So there's lots of things in there roaming around in my DNA. So wanted to show you a little bit of our Hoover sale that we have coming up this weekend. So let's see, we're starting upstairs. This is a really interesting iron bed. I don't know if you can see the detail here. It looks like a full, of course we have dolls, we have hats, we have a lot of interesting things, and of course you know how I feel about the dolls. This one does look a little bit upset. Anyway, so we have really cool bedroom furniture, more along the vintage line, if you will. Let's go into the other room. We also have albums. I get people who ask me all the time about record albums. So we have, let's see, we have Three Dog Night, Johnny Mathis, The Association, who was that? Johnny Mathis again. So they were huge Johnny Mathis fans. So let's walk back here. This is a really nice four-poster bed. High up. This is kind of a nice Asian piece here. Oh, this is really pretty. It's a nice oak dresser. You could also use that as a really cool bar. Put some put all your drinks up there and your glasses in a little silver tray, and you could use that as your bar when you're entertaining and having those cocktails. So this is very similar to the furniture that I grew up with as a little girl. If you can see over here, this is a really nice little chest. That's a nice print. You know, I'm very nautical. I love things nautical. Let's go this way. Oh, so they have Lennox, the carousel. These are collectibles. Somewhat generational is what we call them, because things that are of less value now but were higher value in previous generations, we call that generational. This is a really nice chest though here. So I'm going to shut the lights off those to go down so I don't have to do that coming back up. So let's go downstairs. This is a nice piece of art. So this is a really beautiful frame. You could actually buy this just for the frame if you didn't like the art. Let's go down. We do have some more of the dated looking furniture, which I like to call like the mauve enameled lamps sofa. But you know, you can paint these, completely bring new light into that. Nice area rug, pedestal table. Let's go, let's see. Let's go into the dining room. Here's a curio here. Dining room. So I'm gonna start you this way. This is a really nice dining room set. We have 8 chairs, I think is what I see. And of course we price everything separately, so don't feel like you have to buy the complete set, although that would be great if you wanted to do that. A lot of people like to buy just by the piece because they may not use it as you normally would. They might use the dining room table as a executive meeting table. This could be used here, the sideboard, as a vanity in a bathroom. You could put bowl sinks on that. This piece here, the china cabinet or display, once again, that's an interesting piece because it's domed, it's arched. You could use that as it is as a china cabinet. Think about how many people you know who have china cabinets now and what they use. That's kind of being phased out a little bit. This is a nice marble top piece here. Let's go into the kitchen because they have a really nice set here. See this? It's a pretty set. Let's see. We have TVs. We have, this is a really pretty little secretary here. Let's see, this is a nice, coffee table here. They're also downstairs. Let's scoot downstairs. There's a lot of prints. Bedroom furniture. Let me show you the bedroom furniture real quick. It's a little chilly here today in Birmingham. This is a really nice bedroom set. Wingback chairs. And you know, wingback chairs, people are taking them and reupholstering the chairs and giving them completely new life. So something that you think is dated because of the fabric is pretty easily changed. We have a lot of quilts here. This is a nice chest of drawers. Let's pop downstairs, if you will. This is in Riverchase. I think it's Riverchase Country Club over in Hoover, where we are. We're gonna go downstairs. Creepy basement alert. Ah, she's falling. I'm really not. So let's see here. Basement. Anything and everything. We have a lot of loose wood. We have baskets. There's a really cool piece. Old Singer sewing machine. A pair of lamps, tables. Just a little bit of everything down here. Tools. We have tools. Oh, this is a nice set. This is an iron table with chairs. I like the daisies. Tools. We have a lot of tools. Bing, bing, bing. Tools, guys. Tools, 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 and more tools. Lawnmowers. So, if you will join us, we actually have 2 sales this coming weekend, which is the weekend of March I think the 22nd. Whatever that coming weekend is, this coming weekend. So we're going to be in Moody Friday and Saturday, and then we have the Hoover sale that starts Thursday. So if you're out and about, please join us. There's a lot of good sales going on. If you love estate sales, download the app, estatesales.net, and it will give you all the estate sales in your area, not just ours. We like to make sure that you know that there are a lot of other really great estate sales out there and estate sale companies, some not so great. We like to consider ourselves in that top echelon of estate sale companies. But if you will join us, have a wonderful weekend. It is sunny today here in Birmingham. I've already been nested at Revelator Coffee, downtown Birmingham, across from the McWane Science Center, which is really cool. So anyway, have a great weekend, and we will see you this coming weekend. Toodles.